Hello, I just want to share to you my small patch of edible fern locally known as Pako. This is the young, newly sprouted fern Pako that is really good for cooking. This is the best size. I planted this Pako 2 or 3 years ago, starting from 3 plantlets, and now it multiplied to plenty of Pako edible fern. It is planted below my 18-year-old calamansi tree with lots of fruits still, even it's already old. Here, this one is still okay for cooking. The tip part, just use the tip part because the lower part is already hard. It is mature already, so you need to look under to check for the newly sprouted fern like this one. Wow, this is a very good size, beautiful. I think this is the one of the matured plant, the mother fern. As you can see around it, there's a lot of babies growing because the fern, the Pako, will reproduce via root runner, so that's why there's a lot of baby beside it. Like this one, it's a baby fern, the Pako. Also this one need to be transferred so it will not be cut by the grass cutter. So if you are okay to plant fern in your garden, remember to put the plant under a shaded area, because that's the best location for fern to grow well and keep moist. The soil should be moist, because in the wild it is growing well under the shade of the coconut trees or in the river banks. So in this area, I just allow to grow them under the shade of other unedible ferns, because it helps give moist. So these are my newly planted. I think it is 2 to 3 months ago, and it's alive now. The good thing of growing our own in our yard with the ferns, because we can assure that we are eating the clean fern, because in the wild sometimes people in that area that have no CR might do their might use the area. Just like in our province, some that don't have CR. So these are the newly planted. There are, I think, more than 10, but all of them is alive, as you can see. This one is another baby reproduced from the root runner, from the old or the mature ferns that are planted before. See, this is good because you can cook from here down here, just like asparagus. Asparagus is best when harvested young. Also the fern, the same. So that's it, sharing to you how I grow my little pots of edible fern Pako. Hope you learn from my experience by showing this video. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!